today may pupunta tayo sa night market, and yung kaibigan ko naghihintay na siya sa first subway at sabi ko ay hahanda ko lang yung juice na dala ko. Ayan, so hindi ko sinabi ng wine guys. Ayan, so magiinuman tayo sa night market. Magiinuman tayo sa night market guys. Ayan, so eto siya. And syempre hindi ko siya dadalhin. At baka mahuli tayo guys. So eto, lalagay ko siya dito sa may masafi. Ayan, so bago to ha. Transfer ko siya dito sa pakan. Para hindi siya mahalata. Tatlo. Mag-inuman tayo sa night market guys. Bukas naman day off ko. Ayan, so lagay natin dito. Wait lang. Parang mahirap siyang buksan guys. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Nakasealed kasi siya oh. Ito guys. Kung ano nang pinaggagawa. So nabuksan na natin siya. Transfer natin dito guys. Ayan guys. Sa tatlo. Naghihintay na sila kanina pa sa akin. Nagising lang ako ng late. Hindi ako nag-alarm. Okay guys, and dalhin ko yung sweet corn. Dalhin natin ito. Lagay ko dito para hindi siya mahalata. Ayan. Kailangan natin magsapatos guys. Kasi malamig sa labas. So, magsasapatos tayo. This is my outfit, guys. Tcharam! Ayan, so let's go, guys. Kanina pa naghihintay yung kasama ko. Ano pa siya, 8 p.m. kasi 8 p.m. yung usapan namin. Kaya lang nakatulog ako. So, what will I do? Sorry. Sorry naman, nakatulog ako. Maglalakad pa tayo guys ng medyo malayo. Kasi doon daw kami sa subway magmi-meet. Dahil nga magta-taxi lang kami. Hindi kasi ako nagda-drive sa Dubai kasi ligawin ako guys. I mean to say maliligaw ako. Lalo na pag sa Dubai. Pag dito sa sa Sharjah or Ajman, ganon, carry lang. Pero pagdating sa Dubai, nako, mas maganda nang mag-taxi. And ano pa? Pati pusa kinakausap na, Diyos ko. Nakakaloka, hinihingal na ako. Nakapang pa naman ako. Nakapang winter pa naman ako kasi akala ko talaga as in napakalamig dito sa labas. Bye guys, see you later. We're here na guys.
Yay! Para tayong dito,
Gagi. We're here na in night market, guys. See, look at that. Check mo kung nasaan si Hasan. Where is Hasan? See, Hasan is here.
You're doing live now?
No.
Live. For your what? For your YouTube, yeah?
By the way,
You play?
This is your juice.
it's our juice.
And this is yours.
Thank you.
And this is mine.
We cannot make it because people they will know.
Yeah. That's grapes wine, 14%.
Wow, really?
14%. Cheers.
I get cheers from farm.
Huh?
So what do you want to eat, guys? Except that
Ask her. Why?
Mahal, what do you want to eat?
I want potato corn. Ayun lang talaga gusto ko eh. Only that I
Our
need.
reaction
Why
exactly.
this Mahal is cheap, you know? I will go there every day.
Only that I know.
Join. I was actually near Sharjah. That's just, I told her, where are you? She said, I am there in the supermarket.
What are we going to eat? Let's check there here. Kanto. Oh, that's bulalo, right?
Don't walk fast. I cannot walk fast.
You can walk. Ay, you can. Okay. Nilagang pata. No, I don't like. Oh, they have kare-kare here. Is it beef? Your kare-kare is beef? It's beef. The kare-kare. I want the kare-kare. Oh my God, I have to eat rice today?
Just today only, ate.
Ah. Ikaw, ano gusto mo? Look at their foodies. Me, kare-kare. You, what about you? It's beef. Beef, something with vegetables.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Ano sa'yo? Crispy tofu?
Change your mind for this?
Yeah. She want crispy tofu and me kare-kare.
Okay.
Yeah.
One kare-kare. One
Crispy tofu.
ito. And
Mahal.
Ay, mahal. Mahal.
Mahal. Datu mahal.
Ba't wala silang mga ano?
why not we sit here, yeah? Why we go there? The food is here, yeah?
Just 1 minute.
1 minute? I will count, huh?
60 seconds.
For every delay, 1 second, 1 dirham, huh? One second, Islam.
40 seconds left. 40 seconds. Look, preso. Beef soup.
يقولوا غسل مواعين الكبسة عسل
I don't know how I will finish this now.
مو مع تعرف بس المسح لكن مسح بس زي الأصابع
Yeah.
تكون أسرع من المنتج المنافس نظافتها تبين فيري أدوار الدهون ب3 مرات
We have changed all flaming hot packs to the color purple so they're easy to spot anywhere. They're flaming hot.
Give me this, you take the rice. Oh, really? Oh, bring four.
My heart away from the sun. Bittersweet goodbye. Tears fall from my eyes. Love lost, but
Later.
not in vain. I'll find my way again.
Ano yung order niya? Tofu sa'yo. Sa kanya.
Fresh painted shadows on night. Echoes of light.
Oh, they make it very nice, yeah, with this one.
Yeah, nice.
Silent night. Gone are those dreams holding on too tight.
That's for you?
Yeah. Manipis ka na yung
Thank you. This is too much, yeah?
Yeah. Too much for us because we're on diet. But
Yeah.
for Barbie, no. No, it's not enough.
Mahal, you have to eat, huh?
No, I cannot. This one, I cannot finish this one.
No, you have to eat.
The bagoong.
That's fine.
The smell that Hamdan hates the most. Hamdan.
We all same, by the way.
Yeah.
Because we don't eat this one.
You know, when he bought me mango here, I told him, can I eat with the bagoong? Please don't open inside my car.
How is he, by the way?
Huh?
How is he?
It's good. It's this guy.
How is the new work? How is the new work? Yeah. Office work better than your work. What about yourself? You know, first time I meet her, I know her how long now? How long I know you?
Can you guys sit there? 2021. Can you guys sit alone there? And I will go black
No,
alone.
No, really, how long I know you? 22? See? Since 21, I know her.
You know her
And the
first
first
on me.
time I meet her.
You know her first on me. Because we met on 2022.
Yeah.
Not so many times. We met on
Oh my God.
million times.
Don't count. Don't count. Before, maybe every week we are going out.
In 1 week, maybe 4 times. we
Yeah,
met.
sometimes
Before we always plan, but we always start. Yeah. No, we don't plan.
You know what? Really, like we will say, let's go today to night market, and we will come. Not only night market. We go to Shisha.
Yeah.
We go to that restaurant. What was the name? Remember?
That shabu-shabu. Oh.
Where the best. And then when we bring that, what's her name? Zebra. What's her name? Something.
The bridge.
That ends the bridge. Oh my God.
Oh my God, we should go one time there, Marvin. There
We
is
will
that,
go one time there.
What is the name? There in that, what do you
Was
call
it
that?
white? Something.
Noodle pie.
White. Sorry, plant.
Noodle fight there with the
Noodle.
plant.
You can say,
Night like restaurant. In the midnight, like 12 o'clock, it will close all the light. It will be like this 4, and then 1 will gonna start like this.
yeah, and then also good drink, yeah.
Yeah, with drinks there.
One time we went there with one lady. We know her from TikTok. She came with us.
She's also okay, but only very clingy.
When she got drunk, my God,
It's too much malandi.
too much malandi.
Talaga?
She's dancing. She fall down on the table, all the drinks down. All our. And then, you know, I stay in Silicon, yeah? And then she's staying in Dubai Land. Only like, you know how far from her house, my house? It's like here, my house. Her house is maybe not this building, behind.
Really?
Yeah, only cross the road, she's there. 5 minutes from my house to her house.
Then?
And then, but that time, it was me, her, and then one lady here in Riga.
Guys, bili tayo ng mangga. Hanapin natin kung nasan yung mangga. Uy, ang ganda mag-picture dyan, guys. Oh. Look at that place. Oh, wow. Where is the entrance? Do you have mango? Mango? No? You have? Oh, you have it. Yay, there's mango, guys. How much is your mango? 10. Is this today? You open it today? Did you open it today, this one? There's a mango, guys. Okay, so I will buy one for Hassan, one for Barbie, and one for me, and then I have to buy more. 5. 5. I will take 5. 5. Buying mango. I found my mango. Let's go back to this to Lovey-Dovey. Let's disturb them. Huwag natin silang hayaang mag-date. Dapat pala mag-picture kami ni Barbie dun sa may puso. Thank you. Ang cute dyan, guys, oh. Since mag-Valentine's na siya. O, diba? Cute. Walang masyadong tao ngayon, guys.
Skyward Smiles with your Emirates Skyward credit card. But did you know that earning even more miles is as easy as taking
Together. I'm joking, no way. You want?
No, I don't eat. She have black, no? You will see them.
I will not go. I will tell you all this.
Yes, kung ate ko sa mahal. You know what our call say now? Mahal. Ate. Because of you now, we call it the office now, mahal. Mahal.
Ikaw lang yan, ha?
Yeah, but if I'm angry, I said, Barbie! Barbie? Mahal.
Hey, click with Sean. Not market. لا والله حبيبي.
Yes. Baka nagkakawan naman lang ako. Say hi to my vlog.
Welcome guys.
And Abdul will gonna see you on YouTube.
My parents meet with my mahal.
Yeah, this is Mr. Hassan Samahal.
Yes.
I'm his mahal. Diba mahal? Ah,
The two lovebirds in the night market.
You can tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want. You're spending all your time in this one situation, and anytime you want it to stop.
Because of my immediate